Hello, I'm Melissa with Mixin' Some Magic, and today I am checking into the All-Star Music Resort here at Walt Disney World. I'm excited to show you around this property because it has some really cool things, and I think you're gonna like it. So let's go get checked into my room, let's go wander around the resort so you can see what it's like staying on property at All-Star Music at Walt Disney World. All right, here's the lobby. Checking in. Fun music theme. Let me show you around our room here at the Walt Disney World Music Resort. The All-Star Music Resort. I love staying here on property. It's so fun to be here at Disney World. So let me show you around. So we have all our luggage piled up here in the corner, but let me take you on a little tour. This is a beverage cooler, and of course you have the coffee station. Got a drawer here if you like to unpack like I do. This is the standard 2-queen room. But you can't see 2 queens right now because one of them is folded up right here, which I love because you can keep it all folded up and tucked away so you can enjoy some open space in your room. Maybe you're bringing food back or just want to sit and play a game or something. You can have a little table right here, but this bed pulls down into the second queen. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Over here you have these drawers if you like to unpack like I do. I don't know, I just love unpacking in a hotel. There's a safe in here, and this is also where the bedding is for the second queen bed. I love the Disney art up there. It's so cute. And then this right here is a sliding door that closes off the bathroom, and it's pretty heavy and solid, which I like because it blocks out the light of the bathroom completely, so you can have people getting ready in the bathroom and it's not going to disturb people who are still sleeping. Right here there's a closet, a little open closet, and there is a shelf up here, which is nice. There's a couple shelves over here, and down here they have this sea salt body lotion and liquid hand soap. I love liquid hand soap. It's the best. Then in here, this bathroom also has another sliding barn door. So that's nice. And they do have really good shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. This is the Sea Marine over here. So this room is great. I'm excited to be staying here. I'm going to show you around other cool things in the resort, and let me show you how to pull that bed down because that's pretty awesome.
So, as lovely as this little dining area is, if you'd like to sleep here, you move the chairs to the side, you grab these handles. Oh, cute! Oh, they're so cute. Look at them. Huey, Dewey, Louie, dreaming the dreams. Oh my gosh. And then they've got the pillows and the bedding and everything in one of the drawers that you pull out. And you're ready. That was the best
Perfect.
part.
Wow, Ash. Perfect. Thank you for your demonstration. I couldn't have done it better myself. All right, this is an overview of the property here at the All-Star don't laugh at me, All-Star Music Resort. So here's where you check in. So we checked in here, and there is like the food court, and they have a little shop here, and they have an arcade, and then you come out here, and here's the big pool, and you can order like food and drinks right here and hang out at this pool. These 4 buildings have preferred rooms, which I do not on this trip, but they are closer. So if you want to be closer to all of the action, and like over here is where buses pick you up to take you to, you know, the different parks or to Disney Springs. And back here are the standard buildings. So this is where we are, is in here in the standard building, but there are 2 pools, which is really nice. So there is this pool right here in the center that is shaped like a piano. That's called the piano pool. And then over here is the main pool that is shaped like a guitar. So if you have ever stayed in the All-Star movie or the All-Star Sport Here's a map on the back that has all of them. They are basically exactly the same. The rooms are very similar. I have a video with the All-Star Sports that I'll put right here if you want to check that out and see what that's like. But here's the sports, and then here's the music, and then here's the movies, but they're all very, very similar resorts. And if you've been to one, then you kind of know exactly how the others feel with just slightly different theming. If you want to come stay here at All Star Music, then you're going to want to book through my partners at Getaway Today, because you get some great perks. You automatically get early entry because you're staying on property, but when you book through Getaway Today, you get a free concierge service, so they're going to help you with every aspect of your trip, which is amazing. You get free parking and you get reduced rates. So you're going to be paying less than if you book anywhere else, and you get extra perks. So it's a no-brainer. You definitely want to book through them. They've been booking my trips for the last 20 years. I hate to say that because it tells you how old I am, but it tells you how long I have been loving Getaway Today. So you can use the link, you can use the link down below, or you can give them a call at 855-GETAWAY. Just make sure you tell them that Melissa with Mixin' Some Magic sent you. Right after you walk in, right past the lobby, is the Maestro Mickey's shop. So in here's just a gift shop, but they also have anything that you might have forgotten. It's just kind of like a little general store. They have snacks and little things like that, but they also have some fun Disney merchandise. Right out these doors is where you head for Walt Disney World transportation. So you come out here to go anywhere you need to go around the resort. So you can come out here and you can see this TV that has, kind of tells you where it goes and when the next bus is coming. So you can kind of check that out and see when your bus is going to be here. And then over here is where you line up for your bus, and the buses pull up. So they have a bus that goes to all 4 of the Disney parks, and they have one that goes to Disney Springs and Typhoon Lagoon. So you just come out here and find your spot and line up for wherever you're going, and it will just take you there. This is included with your resort stay, which I love, that you can just come out here to the transportation and they'll take you around. Now over this way we have a fun arcade in here. You need some extra entertainment. We've got a huge arcade. Wow, this is bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Lots of fun here. Oh look, they have massage chairs. So you can just sit here and hang out in these massage chairs while your kids play. But then across the way they have the food court. This is called the Intermission Food Court. And this is where they serve breakfast, lunch, dinner. You can kind of get an idea of the menus over here. You can also mobile order if you want, which might be a good idea because sometimes it can get busy. But they have desserts and they have pastries and they have, like over here, they have like some sesame chicken and salads. I had a beef and vegetable stir fry for lunch, and that was really good. They have pizza and hot dogs and pastas. Over here are their refillable mugs. So I already got one of these. You pay $22.99 and you can refill them for your whole stay. So this is a money saver. I for sure recommend getting one of these. But you can buy Mickey Mouse ice cream bars. They have beverage coolers over here, and also like pre-made salads and things like that. So lots of different options here, no matter who you're feeding or what they want. They do have toaster ovens here and microwaves. You can even order whole pizzas if you're feeding a family, and that's where you pick those up. And then they have the coffee and the tea and the hot chocolate. They have a mug rinse place in case you need to rinse the mug that you bought. A mug wash, that's what they call it. And then they have bunches of sodas that you can choose. And I love that they have tons of seating. So there's lots of seating in here, so you're never like, oh shoot, where am I gonna sit? Don't have to worry about that here. Outside they have swinging spirits where you can get some drinks here right outside by the pool. They have more seating out here, which is really nice. And they also have a fun little chess and checkers games over there in the corner, like giant ones, so that's kind of cool. Let's go check out the pool. So you can see they have like the premium rooms. That's not what they're called. They have I forgot what their name for them. I'll tell you in a minute when I remember. But they have these rooms right here on the sides of the pool, and then they have this main pool right here in the middle. So let's go and check out the main pool, and then I'll show you the other pool. Now this main pool is shaped like a guitar, and you can't really tell from the ground, but when you see it on the map, you're like, oh, it's a guitar. How fun. Fits right in with that music theme. So here's a little list of recreation activities they do right by the pool. They have Movie Under the Stars. They're playing Toy Story Tangled, Aladdin, that's fun. And they also have Calypso Campfire from 6 to 7 right in front of the main entrance to the pool, where they have complimentary marshmallows that you can roast over the fire. And then they have tons of other activities that they do out here by the pool. So you're not going to be bored if you have a rest day here at the resort. Right here at the pool, they have some fun games. They've got like cornhole, and they've got Connect 4, but this isn't 4, it's Connect More Than 4, but still really fun. Over here they have complimentary life jackets, which I love, and they have pool towels, so you don't have to bring a pool towel from home or bring your hotel room towel. They have pool towels, which is great. All right, they have a cute little tiny wading pool, and then they also have a main pool. Now here at the pool, they do have lifeguards, thank goodness. I love that. And look how fun this is in the middle. They have this statue thing of Donald and Friends, the Tres Caballeros, right here in the middle. Very, very cute. So great pool area. Right across from the pool, they have these restrooms, and then in those double doors right there is their laundry facility. So if you need to do laundry while you are here, then they've got you covered. Now, when you stay on property at Walt Disney Resort, you get early entry into the parks, which is huge here at Walt Disney World. Definitely a perk that you want to take advantage of. That is one of my favorite things about staying on property here at Walt Disney World, is you get to go into the parks early. So I'm going to be showing you all of that in some future videos, what you can do during early entry time at the park. But that is a good perk that you need to be taking advantage of if you're staying on property here at Walt Disney World. This is the piano pool, shaped like a piano, and look at these cute music notes on the ground, and they have some piano keys right out in front of it, and they have lifeguards here as well, which is so great. And the life jackets and the pool towels and all of that. But look, they've also got this fun statue of the Little Mermaid. That's really cute. And across from this pool, they also have a bathroom too. So if your kid has to go to the bathroom, no worries. You can run over here and use this bathroom instead of going all the way back. And they have laundry facilities here as well. Oh, there we go. So you can use their washers and dryers. And there's the vending machine for the soap. So there's 2 laundry locations, which is nice because you can use the one that's closest to your room. Now this is the All-Star Music, and it's really themed. The rooms are all, just the same as the ones that I showed you, but the outside of each of the buildings is a little bit different. They have like sections that have different themes that are really fun. So I'm going to walk you around and show you some of my favorite ones. This one is the Country Fair section, and it's pretty cute. So they've got like these fiddles. Are we going to call that a fiddle? I'm going to call it a fiddle. And a banjo. And then they have these huge, ginormous cowboy boots. And of course, there's country music playing here in the background. So Cute. And where else in the world can you see a giant pair of cowboy boots? This is the rock-in section. So they have this car right out here in the middle, and then got this jukebox, and they've got records and music notes and guitars. Oh, those are microphones up there too. Really cool. I don't hear any music playing right now, but when they do, I bet it's rock and roll. This section is the Jazz Inn. They're playing jazz. And then they've got those drums right there, and they have the giant saxophones and trumpets. That's pretty cool. And they have a big fountain right in the center. Right here is the Broadway section. So they've got top hats and the canes and gloves. They've got street signs that say Broadway and Wall Street or 34th Street, and then they've kind of made it like a park atmosphere here in the middle. So they've got the little street and the crosswalk up here, and they've got some picnic tables, and then they have these really cool big Broadway show signs. So on this side they have one that has Aladdin and the Lion King, and then over here this one has Frozen and Mary Poppins. So it's kind of cool. I love how they have each section themed, like in a smaller theme of the bigger theme of music. And look, they even have a fun little playground for your little ones. I love this. And this is the Calypso section. So look, they've got maracas up there and a big sign that says Calypso. Got toucans and monkeys and more tropical vibe, and these, I don't even know what that musical instrument is called with the pipes. No idea. But they've got that too. There you have it. That's the All-Star Music Resort here at Walt Disney World. It's a great property. I'm excited to be here, and I'm excited for my Walt Disney World vacation. Make sure you're subscribed and following along, because I have a ton of Walt Disney World videos coming all about early entry, park hopping, all kinds of fun things happening at Walt Disney World that you're not going to want to miss. Thanks so much for watching. We'll talk soon.